have always dreamt of hiking the Himalayan peaks, and the dream would finally come true in November 2021 after a short layover in Abu Dhabi. The first episode of my Nepal series will feature the busy capital of Kathmandu and preparations for the upcoming Jiri to Lukla hike. Enjoy! I enjoy strolling around random side streets of big cities, discovering the local life and rather interesting sights. Kathmandu was also covered in beautiful marigold flowers from the Tihar festival, which was held during the month of November in 2021. At least I think it is the Tihar festival. Let me know if I should confuse the festival though, because they have a lot of them. Joined by my friend Bojan, we enjoyed a nice breakfast in our hotel in Kathmandu before we would later on sleep in the traditional tea houses along the trail. After finishing our breakfast, we would explore the busy streets of Kathmandu. So we're at the Nepal Tourism Board. We have to get our permit for the hike from Jiri to Lukla. Don't want to take the flight to Lukla because you will probably struggle with the altitude. Lukla is around 3,500 meters and we are at 1,400 meters in Kathmandu. So we decided to take a full week to walk from Jiri, which is about 7 hours with a bus from here to Lukla. This is the place where you can get the permit for that. Let's go. So you have to get some cash. We walked around a little bit. It's a 25,000 rupee limit everywhere, which is 120 euros. We want to get more than that for our permits and everything. Yeah, I'll get some cash and show you how it looks like. Alright, 110 euros guys. Alright, we also have to get some passport photos for the permits. Alright, next up we're gonna go to the bus station. They closed the bus station here, so we have to take the local bus and go to another bus station. Oh, it's starting to drive already. This is the place to get the bus ticket to Jiri. It was a little bit harder to find it because the main bus station is closed in town and you have to kind of drive towards the airport to get the bus. And now I just need to get a haircut and then I'm done for the day. Alright guys, I got my haircut. I still haven't turned the room from the hotel actually, so let's do that now. Before leaving the city again, we also had to try the traditional Krishnarpan 6-course dinner.
Namaste, welcome to our Krishnarpan restaurant. Please enjoy.
We were seated on our table and even had our personalized menu. During our dinner, we also had the chance to learn a bit more about Nepalese culture, in which small pieces of the dinner are offered to the gods. Does it look good?
Yeah.
You made it to the end of the video. That's awesome. Thank you so much. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button as well. Leave me some feedback in the comments and also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. A special shout out to my Patreon supporters as well. If you would like to find out how you can support me and receive monthly benefits such as receiving postcards from me or me being your own personal trip planner, then check out the link below.